Yo, make sure to buy my merch, bro. Go to Marketplace. Go search up. Go right now. Not later. Now. Now, please. When you have Roblox, now. Support me by buying this jersey. I made this on my other account. Buy my merch, bro. Buy my jacket. Buy my jacket. It is only five Robux, bro. Go buy my jacket. And let me cook. Where am I out, bro? Let me cook, bro. Let me cook. And make sure to buy this also. Go to Classic Pants Market. Make sure to buy this. It's a pants, but it's connected with a shirt. See? Make sure to buy that. That is also only 5 Robux. That two together, 10 Robux, bro. So cheap. Make sure to buy that, bro. Make sure.